Good evening, sir.
Do you need help to the podium?
Good evening, and city council members. I'm from Riverside, resident. Just got a few thoughts here on SB 54 and why we should all oppose it. It's unconstitutional. I don't know why it's really an issue in California, because states aren't allowed to supersede federal law. Jerry Brown has a supermajority here, and it's a big problem for all of us. You do not get to choose which laws you pick to enforce and not enforce. Excuse me, I'm a little nervous. I don't talk in public very often, but I felt like it was necessary for me to come here. I think we've seen enough of out of control Democratic Party in California. To my dismay, I watched the Riverside County supervisors invite illegals and tell us that they're going to uphold SB 54. It's not within their jurisdiction to do that. And they even admitted that at the meeting. But at the same time, they're sending the wrong signals. I just want you to follow suit and to take a stance, not just to, hope that it goes away, because it is an issue. It's going to continue to come up. And regardless of what happens this year in 2018, who becomes governor, who becomes state legislators, we still have to fight it. And they don't have any right to force it upon us. So that's pretty much what I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next speaker.
Deanna Lane, followed by Paul Lucas.
Ms. Delaney, it's easier. You're more than welcome to use the microphone there. It's fine.
Maybe.
Okay.
I'm trying to put something on here.
It's coming up right now.
It's coming.
Good evening, my name is Deanna Lane. I am not from your beautiful city. I'm from another city, but we go all over the place. One thing I wanted to show you was the t-shirt that I'm wearing, and he was killed or murdered by an illegal alien. He was a pedestrian, and the guy ran over him with his car, and he was just on the side, not in the street, and then took off. And I know his parents are very devastated about what happened. His name is Marcelio. I'm here to also talk to you about getting some courage. Some city councils do not have enough courage to vote or to write a letter to Governor Brown. I hope your city council develops courage for this. You did take an oath. I even had to take an oath. I was a teacher, and all teachers have to take the same oath that you people have to take. We were appointed to our position. You are elected. It's more serious. I hope none of you are feeling that, oh, it's glorious to be elected to the city council. No, you're elected by the people to help the people and help our state if at all possible. All the people who are on, even the school board is elected to its position, not selected or not appointed. They appoint us to be teachers. You need to develop some courage, because I've seen a lot of city councils that have no courage. And you know where you can get your courage from your creator. I want to say God bless to the city council. God bless all of you, each individually. God bless the USA, and God bless our president. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you very much.
Paul Rodriguez, followed by Robin Higginson.
Good evening, Mr. Rodriguez. How are you, sir?
Good. Thank you for allowing me to exercise my First Amendment right. I'd like to point out that I'm wearing a shirt Joe Story was murdered by an illegal. He was coming home with his wife and his sister from a fishing trip on vacation, and he ended up running through a red light. He was drunk, and he ended up killing Joe Story. He T-boned him. And he was murdered by this person. His sister Chris and his wife were very injured. They ended up being in the hospital for a number of time, quite a long time. They ended up having a number of medical bills that they're still paying to this day. This happened in 2010 or 2011. And this is why I'd like to bring this to your attention, that no one is above the law. And I want to just appeal to your good sense that we have laws in this country. No one is above the law. I don't care who you are, whether you're a president, whether you're a judge, council member, a governor. No one is above the law. We have to obey our laws. This is why Deanne showed the Constitution. We have a Constitution that we all have to abide by, even governors. So what Jerry Brown has done, he has violated the law by signing SB 54 into law, therefore allowing illegals to stay in our country. I'm asking you, council members, to send an amicus brief to the governor and tell him you don't agree with the law that he signed into law, and you want to let him know that you don't support, that you support the federal government and the president, Donald Trump, and Jeff Sessions. Also, I'd like to remind that we have laws that everyone has to obey. And even illegals, if they come into this country, they have to get in line and become legal. They have to obey federal law to come into our country. I don't know how much time I have left, but...
You have 26 seconds.
Okay. Anyway, thank you. I would also like to say that we the people have the power of the vote. They voted you in. And those, I'm not saying you, but anyone that doesn't allow or actually obey the laws, we the people are going to vote them out of office. That's the final.
Your time is expired.
Well, thank you, sir. That's